Did you ever wonder what it felt like to walk through a crowd that didn't want you there? Just to go to school? That's what the Little Rock Nine did. And because of their bravery, I get to learn, read, and be me. Dyslexia and all. This week, make a banner or draw a thank you collage for someone who paved the way. Maybe a grandparent, a hero, or someone in your community. Gratitude connects generations. Gratitude isn't just saying thank you, it's remembering. I'm grateful for brave girls like Elizabeth Eckford. She reminds me that showing up, especially when it's tough, is a superpower.
I have learning challenges too, but heroes like the Little Rock Nine teach me that every step forward matters. This week, draw someone you're grateful for and write one word that describes them. Mine is brave. People used to not see me, I get that. But the Little Rock Nine made sure kids like me would be seen. Not for what makes us different, but for what makes us valuable. That's real unity. Our final activity? A gratitude anthem. Write your own lyrics or create a song celebrating those who've made your path easier. And don't forget, I am filled with gratitude for all I have, and I share this joy with others, knowing it creates ripples of positivity.
This one goes out to the heroes who made a way, to the brave who walk so we can run. This one's for you.
They stood so tall when the world said no. Hearts full of courage, they let it show. Now every book we read, each dream we chase is built on their strength and grace. They marched for hope, they stood for right. Now we shine from their guiding light. I am filled with gratitude, and I share this joy with you. We're rising up to sing and say thank you for paving the way. Gratitude and unity, making change in you and me. We're the ripple, they're the wave. Thank you for paving the way. Yeah, from Claudette Colvin to Ruby Bridges, they opened doors for kids like me. From MLK to Grandma Smile, they made the fight so worth the trial. Now it's our turn to lead and give, to honor the path they made to live. Been the ripple, they're the wave. Thank you for paving the way. Yo, from Claudette Colvin to Ruby Bridges, they opened doors for kids like me. From MLK to Grandma Smile, they made the fight so worth the trial. Now it's our turn to lead and give, to honor the path they made to live. So lift your hands if someone helped you shine. Rebecca, a hero, a friend in time. Write their name, hold it high. Let your thank you touch the sky. I am filled with gratitude, and I share this joy with you. Oh, gratitude and unity, making change in you and me. We're the ripple, they're the wave. Thank you for paving the way. Thank you for paving the way. Ruby, to the ones who stood strong, who walked ahead, we honor you. We carry your light and keep the path going.